I'm get so messy soon. Hi guys, today we're going to make splatter paint. So we need paint because the tape says paint. So we need paint. Any color you want, you don't need to follow the colors. And you need tape for tape, like a paper heart or something. You want a Z or like that. You could like do like anything you want. More than heart. I don't have like the big stuff, so I'm going to use this thing, the tray. So that's all we have. Today we're gonna start, and my dog is here. Right in the face of the... So you want me to get it. And also, I'm wearing a raincoat. I look funny here. Okay, I taped this on already. Oh, my mom taped it. Okay, now we're doing the fun part. Walk over here and the mix. So I'm going to grab all the paint and border each layer. This is going to be messy. And by the way, you need to wear something like plasticky to cover your outfit. So that one. Okay, the colors we have now is gold, dark blue, teal, something like that, light green looking, blue, black, and white. So now I'm going to put my hand where to go first. Let's go first. Wait. Oh. Something white. Put that over there. Wait. Do it up. Okay. Now let's work on the black. Help me. So messy right now. So. Triangle. I'm gonna get so messy soon. Okay, I got a paintbrush now because I can't get there to paint. So I'm gonna take this now. Hold this brush. Sit down. Oh yeah, you need a paintbrush for real. Look at this so big line. This dark blue. So cool. Oh my goodness, two lines at the same time. Like that. Okay, I think we're done. Okay, let's present you the heart now. This was the heart. There's the heart. This is the end product. Is it pretty? Don't forget to subscribe my channel down below. Bye. Look at me.